Hi there, you're watching Gardens and Graveyards, and today we're in the garden. We're going to build a rain barrel. But first, we have to remove this downspout attached to this gutter. This downspout also went through our deck down below and spilled out underneath the house. To make the best use of the rain barrel, we wanted to install a water spigot. So we had to drill a hole in the bottom of the rain barrel, and then we purchased a water spigot from Amazon that just sticks right in there and screws in from the inside. We chose a brass fitting because we figured it'll last longer in our weather. We set up these cinder blocks to put the rain barrel on to help with gravity. We needed to make sure that they were directly lined up underneath the downspout. Then we placed a screen over the top of the barrel and screwed it on with the fitting that it came with. Later, we repainted some of these adorable buckets to look like tin and attached them to the gutter to create a rain chain that would go directly into the barrel. It was a simple process, it looks adorable, and it's extremely useful. This rain barrel is 50 gallons and will supplement some of our summer watering. It goes this way. We suspect only one good rain and that barrel will just about be filled. Thanks for hanging out with us. We'll see you in the next video.